Hi guys, this is George for the Harmony Trading System coming to you from Frisco, Texas, and this is our daily review of markets and all things important to us as traders. Now, taking a look at where the market is at, very eventful day with a lot of headlines from the administration along with a lot of action and reaction in the price action of the market. And we can start with talking about NQ, NASDAQ 100 futures, and discuss the fact that we during the night in Globex, we really made a very drastic move into 7,200, and we backed off from it. There was a headline in the news talking about another stimulus package and also potential deal that was going to be agreed upon between the Democrats and the Republicans, the $2 trillion package. And I think the market reacted very favorably to it at night, thinking it's coming, it's coming, it's coming. And as the morning materialized and the market felt like, hey, listen, this news is not coming. You saw a bit of a retraction in the market and an attempt at 6,800 that looked like it's going to put the market in a third leg of this downturn that we experienced from 9,800 or close to 9,800 in NASDAQ. So critical level to look at is 7,200 for tomorrow. So that level is going to be very critical. If we break above it, we're going to see some good momentum on the upside and a retracement into this very big resistance at 7,600, right? So 7,600 is going to be a line in the sand where the market really needs to break above it in order for long-term momentum to start picking up on the upside. 7,200 is for the short term. Trade above it, the buyers will start taking control of this price action, and a bit of price stability will start coming up, and that will be a bit of a relaxing to see, a little bit comfortable to see that the market is not just going to crater as quickly as most people think it will. But again, 7,200 does not show up. You have a line in the sand about below 7,000, then you're threatening the lows of today, and that may have consequences for lower prices. Okay, so that's number one. You'll be surprised to know that NQ is a lot stronger than ES and YM. And when we're looking at YM, 1932 is going to be the level to watch. A break above it is going to be very good on the upside, and 18,523 is going to be no good on the downside. You're going to see some selling pressure step in lower on the. Let's take a quick look on on ES, because ES is important as well. And here comes ES. ES is a lot weaker than NQ, and you have multiple levels here that are important, 2260 and ultimately 2357. Obviously, that's a lot of territory. That's a lot of real estate, but that's what we're dealing with here. If we continue to trade in the same fashion, you may see a push lower tomorrow morning. So you're seeing a mixed market. You're seeing NQ a lot stronger than ES, and in many ways at YM. YM is a lot stronger than ES. ES is the weakest among them. Whenever you see a disconnect in the market like that, that typically tells you that the market is getting tired from the state that it's in, and potentially, if we can muster an update tomorrow, that will be significant for a multi-day upward momentum as a relief rally. So what I'm going to be looking for in the morning, 8:30 in the morning tomorrow, is an update. If I get ES, NQ, and YM all positive, even slightly, I will start looking at pullbacks as an opportunity to buy. I would be focused on NQ above 7,200 as a long play. And if we do not muster that strength, then we go back to business as usual where rallies are shortable. So that's the focus. Now, there is an element that is kind of important to listen to, is the fact that just finished listening to the administration press briefing, and it talks about how 10 to 12 weeks from now we're going to be looking at opening the economy back up, no matter what. It's at least that's what it seems like they were saying, and or we should be anticipating that, and the market is going to play and it's going to react to that. And it could be a catalyst for the market to actually rally, at least short term. Now, when they come in and actually approve the stimulus, also that could be a good reason for a rally. So now we're getting the market tired from selling. We're getting a couple of days where the market actually sold off and reversed, at least in NQ. So we are getting closer to where the personality of the market can shift and change into a long market. It's not there yet. I will be watching it in the morning and update our subscribers with what we're looking for. So stay disciplined, stay focused, take a breather. This is not the apocalypse, and we're not going to all turn into zombies. And this is a virus that we will eventually beat. And wish you guys the best. Stay healthy, stay safe, and always trade in harmony.